Oh, hello class! Welcome to Peniel Learning Center YouTube channel. And for today class, we are going to learn about your alphabet. Yes, that's right. And for today class, we are going to learn about your letter G. Yes, that's right. Now class, this is letter G, okay? Now let's continue class to the next. Now here, let's say together, G, G, goat. Okay, very good. Let's say it together. G, G, goat. Okay, very good. Let's say it together. Goat. Yes, that's perfect. Let's say it again. Goat. That's right. Now let's continue to the next one. Oh, let's say it. Girl. G, G, girl. Let's say it together. G, G, girl. Okay, yes, that's right. Let's say it. Girl. Okay, very good. Let's say it again. Girl. Okay, yes, that's perfect. Now let's continue to the next one. Oh, it's a garden. Let's say it together. G, G, garden. G, G, garden. Okay, yes, that's right. Let's say it again. G, G, garden. Very good. Let's say it again. Garden. That's right. Good job. Now let's continue to the next one. Okay, now class, remember that letter G sounds like G, G, G. Okay, very good. Let's say it together. G, G, G. Okay, yes, that's perfect. Now let's continue to the next page. And here, class, let's try to learn this one. Let's say it together. G, G, garden. Okay, yes, that's perfect. Let's say it. G, G, garden. Okay, yes, that's right. Let's say it. Garden. Very good. How about this one? Oh, it's a grass. G, G, grass. G, G, grass. Okay. Yes, that's perfect. Let's say it together. Grass. Okay, that's right. Now class, let's say it together. Garden. Very good. Grass. Oh, and the next one is glass. Very good. Let's say it. G, G, glass. G, G, glass. Yes, that's right. Now let's read the three words. Garden. Very good. Grass. That's right. Very good. Glass. Very good. Glass. Okay, good job. Now here, class, remember that these words begin with letter G, okay? That's right. Now let's continue to the next one. Now class, let's learn how to write your letter G. Now let's start with your uppercase G. Now class, let's try to write a curved line. 1. Okay, 1. Okay, very good. And class, let's make a straight line to the side. Okay, let's start at the middle. 2. 2. Okay, good job. Now let's try to write a straight line going down. Okay, 3. Yes, that's right. Good job. Now let's do it together. 1, 2, 3. Yes, that's perfect. Now let's try to write your lowercase g. Now class, let's try this one. Let's make a curved line again. 1. 1. Okay, good job. Now class, let's try to write the second one. Let's draw a straight line from the middle to the bottom. 2 and 3. Okay, yes, that's right. 1, 2. Okay, very good. Now class, you did a very good job today. And for our next lesson class, you are going to learn about the letter H. Are you excited? Yes, me too. Okay, so class, see you again next time. But don't forget to like our Facebook page, Peniel Learning Center, and don't forget to subscribe in our YouTube channel, Peniel Learning Center YouTube channel, okay? Okay, see you again, class. Have a good day. Bye.